I put 3 plastic balls filled with small ball under the wheels of the car. I put a few packets of cartoon ears under the wheels of the car. One by one the balloon bursts under the wheels of the car. See what happened to this watermelon under the wheels of the car. I put a big chocolate ball under the wheels of the car. I put some cane bottle under the wheels of the car. The plastic packet flooded under the wheels of the car. The balloon began to burst one by one under the pressure of the car wheel. See what happened to this spray under the car wheel. The packet of juice burst and everything inside came out. The plastic toy is in a stray desoto under the wheels of the car. The packet filled with biscuit flooded under the wheels of the car. This time I put a packet of bread under the wheels of the car. The glass broke under the wheels of the car. One by one color ball began to break under the wheels of the car. What happened to so many eggs under the wheels of the car? This time I put some fruit under the wheels of the car. I put some beautiful plastic flower under the wheels of the car. I put a plastic hand under the wheels of the car. This Door T2 is in a terrible condition under the wheels of the car. I put 2 bundles of cigarettes under the wheels of the car. I put a plastic cat toy under the wheels of the car. The malt burst under the wheels of the car and the juice came out. I put a plastic toy under the wheels of the car. I put a plastic clay pot under the wheels of the car. The ball burst under the wheels of the car and water came out. Let's see what happened to the packet of Oreo biscuit under the wheels of the car. The car flooded completely under the pressure of the wheel. This time I left a few can bottles. The vegetables were flooded under the wheels of the car.